That cassava farm, now you the work am alone or you get workers?
No, I work alone.
You work alone?
Yes.
You plant cassava, produce cassava,
Yes,
and
sir.
still produce garri alone.
Yes, sir.
You must get money pass Dangote. Because everybody dey chop garri. Money dey there for this garri
Yes,
business.
sir.
So na business if you advise me for do am.
Yes, sir. Like even if you are a government worker, farm work is very good.
So you advise everybody may look into farming.
Yes,
Because
because
it's very
it's
important.
good.
From cassava roots to golden flakes, discover how garri is produced. Good day, I'm Eyong and welcome to AGRICDECK. On today's episode, we're gonna dive deep into the process of garri production.
My name is Obaisami. I'm from Ugep.
What to make you start this business?
I was selling ice fish. Then later I divert to farm business. Like to say Garri business.
Okay. Why you divert to garri business?
The ice fish is too cost.
And this garri, where did you get the product? Where did you take make this garri?
From farm.
From your own farm?
Yes, sir.
So you dey plant cassava?
Yes, sir.
And thereafter you use the cassava make garri?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So you get like big farm garri cassava?
Yeah, I have like 3.
Like how many acres? What's the size of the garri?
Like the first one is 43 lines, the second one 25, the last one 20. Yes, sir.
And that cassava farm, now you the work am alone or you get workers?
No, I work alone.
You work alone?
Yes.
You plant cassava, produce cassava,
Yes,
and
sir.
still produce garri alone?
Yes, sir.
You must get money pass Dangote. Because everybody dey chop garri. Everybody. And your customers, how they take contact you?
Like as I'm frying now, somebody came and asked for it.
Oh, so customer already dey ground.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if you make 100 bucks, you go sell the 100 bucks immediately.
Yes, sir.
And what's the process, the entire process of garri production like?
Like I go to farm to harvest it, then peel,
You feel?
then you carry it to engine, grind it, then you filter it, then you fry it.
When you filter it, how long will it keep before you fry it?
Not long. As soon as you finish filtering it, you set your fire and start frying it.
So if you harvest your cassava from farm, you fit produce garri the same day?
At times we do.
And how many bags garri you fit produce in a single day?
Like when you go with somebody, you may like do like 10, 15, 3, 4, but alone
10
you can
bags?
do 2. Yes.
10 bags?
That is the
50 kg bags?
no, the small ones
Okay.
we use.
Okay. You fit advise people make they learn this garri business?
Yes, sir. Very important.
So if somebody wants start this garri business, wetin the person need?
You need farm to cultivate, like clearing, packing, tilling, then you plant your cassava stems.
This your garri now, many people they want garri. How do you prepare to make sure you no run out of stock?
Like every year,
Yes.
we go to farm to cultivate. So before you finish eating this one, another one is up.
So you must make sure you always produce more cassava.
Yes, sir.
You used to buy cassava from other people
Yes, we used to buy.
or from other people?
Yes, some people used to buy.
Okay. I mean, but you dey buy from
No,
other
I
people.
don't buy.
So all the garri wey you dey produce na only from your
It's
farm.
from my farm. Yes.
And you dey produce garri all year round.
Yes, sir.
What do you do to maintain the quality of your garri?
Good. Like from the farm, you must weed your grass to keep the farm clean. So when you go there, you harvest the best.
The best seeds.
Yes.
Okay. And after you don't bring the best seeds, you produce this garri. How you dey take prepare the garri and keep them so that make it no spoil?
Like when you fry it done very well, that it can last for like months.
I
Very
keep garri last time for like 2 weeks. It spoil.
That one is not done.
Wait you fit say be the problem?
It's not done.
Me say the garri not be done.
Yes, sir.
And how I go take know whether garri done?
You touch it now.
If I touch it, it's very dry.
Yes.
So anytime I go market to buy garri, I must touch it.
Yes, sir.
They no go put under sun.
No.
So only garri wey dey fry well, I go feel last for long.
Yes, sir.
Is there any time where you don't get produce Garri over Garri, then people no buyer no dey?
At times we used to produce no buyers.
And when no buyers no dey, wetin you do?
You keep it.
Yeah, and you no go spoil for your hand.
It's alright.
But buyers must always be for
Yes,
Garri.
sir.
And all the people wey dey buy this Garri now only from Ogep or they come out from
No,
another side.
from Calabar at times. All these villages.
They dey come buy.
Yes, sir.
And this Garri wey you dey make now, apart from drinking the Garri and making of eba, which other thing they dey take do with am again?
The only thing I know is eba and to sip Garri. Nothing
sip
else. Yes.
And you dey produce white Garri or na just yellow
No,
Garri?
we do white too.
Okay. For white Garri, which process you dey do before you turn white, and which one you dey do for yellow?
Like the white one, when you come back, at times we use water to wash the cassava, very clean.
Okay.
Then when you grind it, we will wash it or add it a little groundnut oil so you can fry it food.
Okay. And the yellow one?
This one is just palm oil.
Oh, so that the palm oil dey make a day yellow like
Yes.
this. Okay. I think say na yellow cassava.
No, we have yellow cassava, but not much.
Okay. And the whole process for this Garri, money dey there for this Garri business.
Yes, sir.
So na business if you advise me for do am.
Yes, sir.
So for young people and other farmers, which advice you fit give to them?
Like even if you are a government worker, farm work is very good.
So you advise everybody may look into farming.
Yes, because
it's very
it's
important.
good.
You get any message you want to pass to other people who have graduated and at home? What message can you pass to them?
Let us start Garri business. I do because Garri business help.
And I see your daughter too, they follow you do the Garri business. You dey train am or na she decide for say make she help you?
You train her now because it's what she must do.
Oh, okay. So this Garri business, what challenges do you face in this business?
Like the challenge is the work from the farm.
And the smoke, it doesn't disturb your eye?
It's disturbing my eye.
So the challenge you face here is just the smoke.
Yes.
Okay, so for people who want buy Garri, and for people who want learn this your work, and people who want do other farming cassava business, how they fit call you for phone? How they fit contact you?
I have phone.
Okay, give us your phone number.
081
081
06
Okay.
95
Okay.
9076.
So anytime when they call you for buy Garri, you go there available for
Yes, sir.
supply. And if person want learn the Garri training, you go train the
Yes,
person.
sir.
Okay. And in terms of the fire, now just normal charcoal you use for make this Garri.
Firewood.
Just normal firewood. And this pot, you get special pot where they take use make
This
Garri.
is the one we use.
Why would I use this kind of pot?
This is Garri pot.
Garri pot.
Yes.
Okay. So any other pot no go dey good for the
No,
Garri.
sir.
Only
Apart
this one.
from fryer.
Dear viewers, it's not an easy process. I'm getting blind already by the hard work these women are doing. Madam,
Yes, sir.
thank you so much for having us.
Thank you,
We
sir.
truly appreciate the work you are doing for feeding the nation. We wish you the best in your Garri cassava business and every other agricultural endeavors.
You're welcome.
It's been an honor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dear viewers, you heard it all from the Garri mistress herself. You don't have to wait to get millions of naira before starting a business. Agriculture is very important. Whether you're working or struggling to get a job, just get yourself involved in agriculture. Thank you for watching. If you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe, click the notification bell, like, comment, so you never miss an episode on agriculture that matters. Until then, peace.